Here we are at Eastern Hills Automotive and Marine, working on my 2008 Malibu 23 LSV Sunscape. Had a little accident where a jet ski ran into me, hit the tower frame. Currently we are removing those frames and working on some of this spider cracking. I hop in the boat here. Got that side cushion completely removed. Doing a little bit of work on the fiberglass uppers here. Jet ski came and hit me right in the side of the tower, then fell down on this piece and then fell off the boat. Luckily there wasn't too much damage, but enough to put me out for the season. So just in here checking things out. Got the tower support, which is actually surprisingly really light. I'm assuming that we can reuse this. Not really sure. Let's hop out the back. Just the back of my boat. With, as many of you know, where the wedge isn't working, new prop replaced, and replace those LED lights there. Here's the stack of beautiful new parts waiting to be installed. My Roswell Aviator R1 tower. I have the bottom of the tower mounts with a swivel release. I have the risers, which add another 5.5 inches to the height of the tower. The center piece and the nav light over here. The bimini cover is right there by Aviator. I have these Roswell Triton board racks, which are gonna be fucking sick. I cannot wait. And we have the Vamp Spin 8-inch and 6.5-inch R1 speakers, 1 swivels. We also have a 6 LED light bar right in that box right there. I'm pretty pumped. I can't wait to see the work get completed. I know they're going to do a great job here. Really appreciate the help of Gary Hill and the family. Thank you so much. See you next time.